Number 65. Metamorphic rocks that show layers of dark minerals alternating with layers of light minerals are classified as blank. A. Non-foliated. B. Extrusive. C. Foliated. D. Intrusive. Number 66. A hypothesis is a blank. A. Conclusion. B. Guess. C. Control. D. Experiment. Number 67. The blank is the standard by which your results can be compared. A. Dependent variable. B. Independent variable. C. Control. D. Constant. Number 68. Conclusions to scientific experiments should be based on blank. A. Personal biases. B. Religious beliefs. C. Precise measurements and tests. D. Hypothesis. At its boiling point, a liquid becomes a blank. A. Gas. B. Liquid. C. Solid. D. Plasma. Number 70. State of matter can be changed by blank or temperature. A. Weight. B. Density. C. Pressure. D. Observation. Number 71. Copper wire is matter that is comprised of only one blank. A. Plasma. B. Mixture. C. Element. D. Compound. Isotopes of the same element have different numbers of blank in them. A. Electrons. B. Protons. C. Neutrons. D. Elements. Number 73. Which of these is not true of isotopes? A. They have the same atomic number. B. They have different numbers in neutrons in their atoms. C. They have the same mass numbers. D. They have the same number of protons in their atoms. Number 74. Scientists have observed that the plates move at rates changing from 1 centimeter to 12 centimeters per blank. A. Century. B. Decade. C. Day. D. Year. Number 75. The hypothesis that continents have slowly moved to their current locations is called A. Continental drift. B. Continental slope. C. Magnetic reversal. D. Convection. Number 76. The alignment of iron minerals in rock when they are formed reflects the fact that Earth's blank has reversed itself several times in the past. A. Magnetic field. B. Core. C. Asthenosphere. D. Gravity. Number 77. Seafloor spreading occurs because A. New material is being added to the asthenosphere. B. Earthquakes break apart the ocean floor. C. Sediments accumulate at the area of spreading. D. Molten material beneath Earth's crust rises to the surface. Number 78. Matching blank on different continents are evidence for continental drift. A. River systems. B. Rock structures. C. Weather patterns. D. Wind systems. Number 79. Blank currents inside Earth might derive plate motion. A. Vertical. B. Convection. C. Horizontal. D. None of the above. Number 80. In order to complete a convection current, the rising material must eventually blank Earth. A. Stop inside. B. Cool. C. Sink back to. D. Warm. Number 81. The Great Rift Valley in Africa is A. Mid-ocean ridge. B. Divergent boundary. C. Convergent boundary. D. Transform boundary. Number 82. The Andes mountain range of South America is formed at a blank. A. Convergent boundary. B. Divergent boundary. C. Hotspot. D. Transform boundary. Matching. Match each statement with the correct item below. A. Compaction. B. Weathering. C. Cementation. D. Erosion. Number 83. The process in which rock is exposed to air, water, or ice and breaks into pieces. Number 84. The movement of weathered material. Match the descriptions with the corrected terms below. A. Positively charged particles inside the nucleus of an atom. B. Negatively charged particles outside the nucleus of an atom. C. A building block of matter. D. Particles in an atom's nucleus that do not have an electric charge. E. Other name for homogeneous mixture. Number 85, element. Number 86, protons. Number 87, neutrons. Number 88, electrons. Match each item below with the correct description. A. Hypothesis. B. Earth science. D. Scientific theory. E. Control. C. Scientific law. Number 89. An educated guess that can be tested. Number 90. An explanation backed by results from repeated testing. Match each term with the correct description below. A. S waves. B. Mantle. C. Seismic waves. D. Seismographs. E. Crust. Number 91. Tsunamis. Number 92. Largest layer of Earth. Number 93. Secondary waves. Number 94. Outermost layer of Earth.